This is the imaginatively named Mini Asik-Asik Falls in the highlands of Davao City. Like its big brother, the water flows from inside the rock, feeding the Talomo River. Then I visit the Philippine Eagle Center and an excellent restaurant in a 1920s compound.
I'm really excited for this because I've been wanting to come here for a while. If you remember, I went up and I saw this really unique musical instrument and then the Hand of God, as they called it, on top of a mountain. It's in that same area and I'm going with Jossie. I'm fasting, intermittent fasting, but I think I need some trail snacks. And my voice is going somewhere as well. I talk too much, maybe. I brought shoes, but no socks, which was very clever of me. I can't see any uke-uke. Maybe there is some somewhere. There must be. There's always uke-uke. Always. Sakto lang. Thank you, Coca-Cola. So actually I saw a okay, there's also one in front of me, but there's also a traffic enforcer stood in front of it, so never mind. So, okay, medyas o sapatos lang. Medyas, oh.
Wala.
Wala. Sige. Sige, try ko sa lain. Holy shit.
Last resort, the mall.
I think something's open. Think or hope. Not sure though, really. Only the grocery store's open. I was too awkward to walk out without buying anything, so it's healthy, right? Department store opens in 10 minutes. I'm gonna go back in. This is a very, very exciting mission, I know. I'm sorry to bore you with it. The poshest, most expensive pair of socks I've ever bought in my life. That'll teach me a lesson. Right, Joshie's here. Let's go up the mountains. It's not really a mountain, it's a hill.
From Carmen, we climb to 1,000 meters above sea level in Baguio district. But before enjoying this incredible landscape, we needed to sign in at the Barangay Hall. No, the new one. The trailhead's not far from the main road, inside this banana plantation. Back in Baguio district of Davao City, I'm going to a place called the Mini Asik-Asik Falls, which is a very nice waterfall I've never been to in Cotabato. So after that socks mission, nobody else is wearing shoes. We don't need them. It's not a difficult trail. It's been repaired. So, well, I might live to regret this, but if I do, I'll tell you later. Oh, my buntag. So how old's this one?
I think it's more than 20 years old. They call it Tanggili, Red Lawaan.
Red Lawaan. Nice, huh? It's huge. 20 to 30 years, it's big already, no? So actually this has been closed to visitors for a few weeks, months, something. They were repairing this road which was damaged by landslides, and now it's good enough that I can walk in slippers. Planting tomatoes here. Used to be cacao coffee, now tomatoes are, they're getting expensive, tomatoes. Na mahal, no? Kamatis. Pila daw ko ang bagsak, Avon?
7 to 800.
Okay. 7 to 800 ang kuha ng kaha. Nice, sir. I noticed that at the Palenque, the price is up. What I'm always amazed about with this landscape here is really steep sides going down to the river, then it's just totally flat. It's all old pyroclastic flows, I bet. Much easier to see from the drone above. We are high up the Talomo River valley with a rock wall backdrop, vegetable farms on the flat. Water just seeping out of the rock, and this guy trying to sneak a selfie. So one hose is one barangay?
Two, maybe two.
Okay, 2 hoses, 1 barangay. So there's maybe 3 or 4 barangays, no? Getting water from here, so it's clean. It's just seeping out of the rock, so it's naturally rock filtered. Really cool. Basically, everything I did today was unnecessary. I didn't need snacks, they brought some. And I didn't need socks for my shoes because that trail's very easy. "20 minutes. Oh, that's sweet. Let's see how this goes. Okay, that part's difficult enough. Now we've got to get across the rest of the Talomo River. Hey, okay. Amen. Sige na. Sige. Hinay lang. Sige. This is something I'm not built for because my center of gravity is in the wrong place. Which is a very wordy way to say I'm fat. This is cool. And there's a hole here. There's no treasure there. That's what everyone thinks. Underneath a waterfall. You've never seen a waterfall before, have you? That's cold. That's like being in the UK again. Bugnaw ang Pilipinas. So Joshy told me there's a place up here where all the rocks are red. Pulang Lupa, red rocks. It's a 3 hours hike and you have to climb up the river, so I'm good. I wonder how this water is. It's probably really nice and filtered, no? Oh, that's sweet. That's really good tasting water. Really, really good. No wonder they use it for the barangays. This is really cool. I'm enjoying being here underneath something that might get me very wet. How to crawl across a river. When I say I don't drink coffee, that's a lie. Only selected coffee. This is native and it's really, really good. The fat version of Indiana Jones is back. Hey, I've done the same thing again. Same foot, same pace. Oh no. Then, right, third time lucky. So right now it's clearing season. So clearing then planting. But if you come at the right time, in a few months, there'll be harvest. And that'll be really colourful. Really nice here. What's the name of the tree?
Tibig tree.
Tibig.
Tibig, yeah.
Tibig. Ah, tibig. Too big.
Yeah, tibig, T-I-B-I-G.
Ay, tibig.
Family of picos, baliti.
Ah, balite. A sign there's water, no?
Yeah, there's an indicator that there's a water.
There's water, and I almost made a very clever joke in Bisaya which didn't work out because I misheard tibig as tibig. Tibig, too big. Tibig, oh, not quite the same. Almost.
Because no.
When I came around the corner, I thought that was a pump boat. It's not. It's a banker. Ay, salamat. May ko mangosteen o kamatis. Unsa ni nagtanom kamatis? Ah, beans. Ah, beans. Pila ka tuig nagkuan? Nag-uumang ka ng beans. Dugay na?
Mga 2 months na.
Mga 2 months lang.
Harvest na.
Oh, dugay ka nagtanom, Derry. Salamat ka ayaw sa kuan. Sa shade, oo. Sa lingkuran. Salamat ka ayaw. Oo.
Sige.
Salamat. Oo. Salamat. Oo. Nice people. Salamat ka ayaw. Bye-bye. 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 Salamat ka ayaw.
Bunga sa mangosteen, no?
Bungos. Uy, bungos niya. Gamit. Ay, Derry, no? Ay, bungos sa mga.
Bulak na.
Mga name ko mangosteen. Mangosteen nang bulak ng mangosteen. Social nang klase. Bye. Ay. Yeah. Not very difficult at all. Just remember, this is how I've had to park my truck. And this is a working banana plantation, so please don't overcrowd the place. Motorbikes are easier, just park underneath the bananas. Yeah, wow, this is awesome. This is a cool place.
Yeah.
Thank you. Salamat po kayo. This here, there used to be all these souvenir shops because this used to be super popular. I'm at the Philippine Eagle, which a few people have asked me to go and visit, so I may as well. I'm in the area, and Felix is with me.
Hi.
The Philippine Eagle Center is a breeding and rehabilitation area in a forest for a critically endangered species, with only 400 remaining in the wild. A number of species can be found here, safe from predators. Noisy American immigrant too, the Philippines, actually very well behaved. There are no demonstrations right now, but I really appreciate what this foundation is doing. I'm gonna do that. In a 1920s compound on Legazpi Street is an excellent Australian restaurant, which also has branches in Manila. Unlike me, Bondi Bourke oozes class and sophistication, as does its sister hotel, the Bourke. Me, I'm here for the restored 1920s features. I mean, the food. Good, classic, Aussie grub. This would normally be for sharing, I think. Not for me. I've been fasting all morning, as I have been for quite a while, so I think this is okay. The chicken palmy, a glutinous feast of chicken, tomato, ham and cheese. An Aussie classic. I don't know how many chickens this is in one. This is good breaded chicken, tomatoey, cheesy. The flavour's just stunning. I mean, it's not heavy. Really good flavour. And I've been fasting, so it's okay. I can finish it all. The cheese is light, but it's flavourful. And it's got salad, so it's healthy. This ginger beer is brewed in-house and was so good that I got two. Really good food. Sometimes I just miss what I'm used to. I miss the Western food, and that was really good, and I have so much that I have some to take home for the wife who won't be mad at me. Good day, huh?